Ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí ìkànnì yìí. Tó bá jẹ́ ìgbà àkọ́kọ́ tí ẹ ń bá mi pàdé rèé, ẹ bá mi like, ẹ comment, ẹ share, kẹ́ subscribe. Àwọn ohun tí ẹ máa wò lórí ìkànnì yìí, òun ni àwọn ohun tí ó ń lọ láwùjọ wa tó sì máa kọ́ wa lọ́gbọ́n. Ẹ máa bá mi ká lọ.
Odidi ọmọ ni oyúnkóyún, and you have children, you have grandchildren. Ṣé tán bá pè, if they call one of your children oyúnkóyún àti sàárà, how will you feel? And what you know you are doing, you can't do it here. Lè ṣe ní ìlú tí nǹkan tí ń work o. You can't. You will even pay more than what she is thinking she wants. They will look at how much you have, your responsibility, and based on that is what they will give her. Either you marry her or you don't marry her. Oyúnkóyún àti sàárà, how will you feel? And for non-Yoruba speaker that may not understand the song, like I told you, this lady crying got pregnant for him 13 years ago and has a child for him. And the lady came out that all efforts to make him accept the paternity of the child. That was after he said she should go and abort it, and she tried, but the belle no go. We go still listen to the woman's story so that everybody will know. People who did not listen to it when it's from the full video, we are listening to it again now. The lady now cry out for help. Say it's not easy for her. Accept the paternity of this child. The woman said she has made a lot of efforts. It's not accepting the child. And, and the response is given in this song is that anybody will get belle, consign and say the belle, na give away. That's the best way I can put it. He said the belle na yeye belle, and the belle na give away. He said anyhow way you want, carry and go TikTok, carry and go Facebook, carry and go Instagram, carry and go Twitter, carry and go YouTube, carry and go anywhere you want go, carry and go. He said consign and say the belle, na yeye belle. An elderly man shading a minor, because to me is shading that child more than the father, the mom. Sorry, I may be wrong, but that's the way I see it. I was like, this man is shading a little girl and shading the mom. And if you see the pikin, the lady girl child, he resemble him like resemble him mama. Resemble her because my mama he resemble this man. My mama he resemble. I was not surprised because most times na song they take response to people. And it's just because you go born person, you go born pikin here. Either you marry the woman, you no marry him, you have to pay child support. Bankani. Here, an elderly man, a grandfather. Thank you, Yudeka Ore. A grandfather. He said, tó bá lóyún kóyún, sàrà ni. Sàrà lódidi ọmọ. Sàrà lódidi ọmọ Alhaji. How much is this man going to give this lady? Kai. And he's rich, very rich, Go and look at his house in Ijebu that he built in Ijebu. Very massive. How much? If you place this lady on monthly allowance, 100,000 it's not too much. But when they tell you, say, and some women will still say, ẹ̀gbọ́n wa ni, àwọn obìnrin kan dẹ̀ máa back ìbọ̀dá Wasiu pẹ̀lú ṣìtàn ṣe. It's enough tán bá fẹ́ gbọ́mọ yẹn, it's all okay. But the way he has added salt upon injury is too much now. Kí ló dé? Àwa náà bímọ, ọmọ wa náà lè lóyún fẹ́ni tí ò fẹ́ gbóyún. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Anybody can get into the mess this lady found herself. Yes, I agree. She has her own mistake too. And the mistake is seeing that all these rich men, they think they are responsible. No. Especially in Ninu, even if you want justice, nobody can. To find the justice will be very difficult because they have the money. Oni tó bá lóyún kóyún, odidi ọmọ lóyún kóyún Alhaji. Odidi ọmọ ni oyúnkóyún, and you have children, you have grandchildren. Ṣé tán bá pè, if they call one of your children oyúnkóyún àti sàárà, how will you feel? And what you know you are doing, you can't do it here. Lè ṣe ní ìlú tí nǹkan tí ń work o. You can't. You will even pay more than what she is thinking she wants. They will look at how much you have, your responsibility, and based on that is what they will give her. Either you marry her or you don't marry her. Oni tó bá lóyún kóyún sàrá ni. Àgbàlagbà, you are supposed to be mentor to the junior ones. You are supposed to be like somebody the younger ones should be looking up to. So àwọn younger guys yẹn náà máa sọ pé tóbìnrin kan bá lóyún kóyún sàrá ni. Mo pàlù fún yín, I kill drum for you. Follow his parts. Follow parts here. Wá wò pé bóyá sàrá ni àbí sàrá kọ́. Follow his parts. Lóyún kóyún sàrá ni. Odidi ọmọ ni sàrá. It's okay. I've translated what he was saying there. Philonum. What he was saying in that song is that anybody will carry any yeye belle from him. He say na sacrifice. Say no consign now. Like na give away. I don't know how to say it better. Now give away be the belle and the pikin. He's trying to say he's not going to accept the responsibility of that child. And you need to see how the child looks so much like him. So much. As if carbon copy. The same thing he did. If you watch the last video, you can watch my last video about him. The same thing he did towards the end of that video, like halfway gone, was when I started talking about him. In my last video, there's about 25 or 26,000 views. This was the same thing he did for a particular actress named Bisola Badmus. That Bisola Badmus got pregnant for him too. Because people are blaming, we can blame the women for all we like. How about him that is supposed to be, look at all these ladies. He's more older than them. Older than them, number one. Number two. They are more kind of vulnerable to me. When you use money to lure people, it means those people are vulnerable. That's why they are answering you. And that is why when I'm very sure there might be other women that have money, that have children for him, that will not bother. That won't even be dragging. He will collect the child. The problem is, doesn't want to be seen with somebody lesser. That's just the problem. That is what I see in this case. Kò ń ṣe pé kò fẹ́ gba ọmọ yẹn, but báwo ló ṣe ń wò ó ipe ru òun lòun lọ fún ẹni tó ń ṣe pedicure. That's just his problem. His problem is, how can him, as he is, with his caliber, with his status, be found with this kind of lady? Na shame. Shame. Na shame catch am to sing that useless song. Orin ìtìjú ni. Shame, now you make him sing that song. He wants to use Boneface to escape wetin he do. Now Boneface to escape say, now me go fuck this kind of person. Now he make her. Now he make nothing more. Say, now me. Then go say I give this kind of person belle. I'm sure there are so many women that are rich. At least not really rich, that are financially stable, that will have had children for him. he will accept those ones. He will not complain. He will say, "Omo man po si ni." That was how they begged him concerning Bisola Badmus when Bisola Badmus got pregnant. Bisola Badmus had a child. Now so that lady almost every year they beg. They come on social media say no one accepting pikin. He come on. He goes now he go still send them name where they go name the pikin After that, he doesn't want to see them again. If those ladies, let's even say in the heat of the moment, or they can't really caution you as a person, they are like, they can't talk, agbalagba, fun wa lowo. What stops him from protecting himself? What stops him? Shebi, these are the two that we can hear. Do we know how many? And if you see waiting, it take that Bisola high see. It take a high see Shege Pro Max. Until last year, when some privileged people, that lady became sick, very seriously sick 2 years ago, stroke clearly last year. That was when privileged people, in the society people now stepped into that case and begged him. He was even seen, Olori Ofo. Even when he was to accept that boy, he was accepting him in public and say, "Omo ti bo wale o, omo ti bo wale." You can watch our previous videos if you are new to the story. In the public at a party, now he begins sing his useless song. Olori Oshilenu. Babo Alaji. Agbaya niyin, Agbaya niyin. It's all located back bomb ewo lorin oforin sonu. Ewo lorin sonu. Let's listen to this lady's story for those who have missed it. I will try and make it fast so kò ní pẹ́. Abiyamo lẹ́yìn náà bímọ àwọn ọmọ now. If a man should do all this to your lady, your girl children ńkọ́, ṣáwọn girl children náà lè gbóyún kọ́ náà wọn ò fẹ́. Alaji àgbàlagbà. Múrí ètè sọnù. I want to play the lady's story so you can get what does the song mean. The song means which of the song? I sang 2 songs now. Omo ti bo wale. Omo ti bo wale means pikin don't find him route. He don't find his way back home. Now for party no be for in house Now in public place he dey talk say omo ti bo wale. Refer with Sholaba on his sister me. Now for outside he dey talk say omo bo wale not his house Inside party now he sing the song for the pikin, for the son, that boy, around 15 years of age. Not as if inside his house. Now so the lady, the mama of the pikin, they look lost and sad at that party on that day. Pé ayé òun leleyi. Òun no fi cash cruise. Ọmọ ti bọ̀ wálé. Agbaye ò tó lé Alhaji. Agbaye ò tó lé, kò tó lé rárá. Instead, don't accept them. It's better than to say anything. Keep quiet. Má sọ nǹkankan ó better. Èwo lórin sọnù. Èwo lórin òṣì. Tẹ́ wá ń kọrin fọ́mọ 13 years old. Ó bá lóyún kóyún sàrá ni. Odidi ọmọ lóyún kóyún. Tó bá kọ oyún ti yín ní kékeré. This same man, there is a man that said the story Ṣé kàn gbé ìtàn ti yín náà jáde? Ìtàn tí Bisoye gbé jáde ń jọ sí that story that Bisoye Oshodi that he brought out concerning him. Bisoye did a story for him. This Bisoye spoke about his own